Unlock the power of statistical forecasting to pinpoint your next winning trade with the Regression Trend tool. First things first, let's activate the Regression Trend indicator on your Tradingview chart. Click on the Indicators button, which looks like a beaker with a plus sign, and then type Regression Trend into the search bar. Select it from the drop-down menu, and it will automatically appear on your chart. You'll immediately see a colored line, typically green, representing the statistical trend. This isn't just a simple moving average. It's a line of best fit, calculated using mathematical regression. It visually summarizes the overall direction and momentum of the price over the selected period. To fine-tune the regression trend to your trading style, right-click on the indicator line and select Settings. Here, you can adjust the length of the regression calculation. A shorter length will make the trend line more reactive to recent price action, while a longer length will smooth out fluctuations and focus on the broader trend. See how the shorter length follows the price more closely, showing more frequent turns. The longer length, however, paints a smoother picture of the dominant trend. Experiment with different lengths to find what best suits your chosen time frame and trading strategy. The real magic happens when we interpret this statistical line. The regression trend can act as a dynamic support or resistance level when the price is trending upwards. Look for pullbacks towards the trend line as potential buying opportunities. Conversely, during a downtrend, watch for bounces off the trend line as possible shorting signals. Here, the price pulled back to our regression trend, and then we saw a strong bounce. This suggests the statistical trend is holding, and the uptrend is likely to continue. This confirmation can help you enter trades with greater confidence, aligning your entry with the statistically projected direction of the market. By understanding the logic behind the regression trend, you can effectively visualize the statistical forecast of price movement, allowing for more informed and potentially profitable trading decisions. Master this tool, and you'll add a powerful statistical edge to your trading arsenal.